Okay. All right, so now we'll do the 90. Release this, release this. Nice and easy, pull forward. Making sure you don't hit any cones. Nice and easy. Pull straight out. All right, so now we'll begin. We'll do the 90. Making sure your tractor and your trailer are properly aligned. As you can see, that's the area I'm going into. I am at a 90-degree angle. So, make sure I'm good there. Make sure I'm good here. All right, nice and easy. Put it to reverse. All right, so I don't cut, right? I start going as slow as possible. I don't cut, I only cut as I move. Right, I cut only as I move. I want to make sure I'm good there. See that little angle that it has on my tractor and my trailer? Now what am I doing? I'm chasing my trailer. Right, you want to go nice and slowly, making sure you're good there. Keep going. All right, I want to bend it just like I'm bending it right there. See? Nice and slowly. You want to go wide, just like that. Yep. There you go. Yep, now I can use my mirrors right there. All I'm doing is I'm just chasing my trailer, you see? Whichever side it goes, I go. Cut a little bit to the right, so it goes to the left. Right, now when I'm like that, I'm looking at the back tire. I want to get it as close as I can to that cone. You see now they're straight, right? They're parallel right there. I stop and I'm parallel on that side too as well. So what do? Now all it is just straight back. If my trailer moves to the right, I cut slowly to the right. If it moves to the left, I go left. You see, slowly to the left a little bit. So what do? Just a little bit to the left. Right, and then a little bit to the right. I want to go as far back as I can. Once I go there, I don't want to pass those last two cones. Put it to neutral. Pull out my parking brakes. All right. And then I'm going to step out. When you're stepping up, 3 points of contact. Grab here and here. All right. You want to quickly come over here and assess the situation. Okay. So I got to move this bumper into that space right there. All right. Okay, you can still do it. You come back in and I grab this side and the steering wheel. I'm in again. Close the door. So I need about a foot, about 2 foot or something. Yep, 2 feet. I go back, and when I'm like right there, I stop. Put it to neutral, pull out the parking brakes, come check again. Now you want to do this quickly as you can. Don't waste time. You see you're almost there. Just a few more inches and you'll be in there. Remember, you only got 5 minutes to do this. You grab here, right here, then you're in there. Put it to neutral. Release your parking brakes, look left, look right, and then just move a few inches. Boom, you should be good now. Pull out my parking brakes, put it to neutral, and come and assess the situation. All right, boom. As you can see, it is where it needs to be, right there between the last two cones, and our bumper is there. And it's perfectly straight, not crossing this little boundary line. And as you can see, our trailer and our tractor are at a parallel. to one another, and then you sound your horn and you're done. All right, that's how you do your 90 degrees.